रोमांटिक पार्टनरशिप में नार्सिसिस्टिक पार्टनर कौन होता है?
The world revolves around them. बहुत ही volatile होते हैं.
मतलब
temper tantrums, anger, abuse.
It's like people go to therapy who don't need therapy but have to go to therapy because the person who needs therapy won't go to therapy.
Absolutely.
Talking about family, अगर कोई घर में है और वो ट्रेट सीखना चाहता है फैमिली मेंबर्स में कि नार्सिसिस्टिक है कि नहीं,
बाहर जो होता है बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल होता है. घर के अंदर जो होता है verbal abuse, sexual abuse, physical abuse. They will make you believe that there's no world outside of this.
जो लोग नार्सिसिस्टिक फैमिलीज में हैं and वो सेपरेट नहीं होते, how can it affect a child?
They're constantly looking for validation from the parent.
Animal में you think the father was the narcissistic?
Absolutely, because it will ruin the person who is around them. It will ruin the people. घर का माहौल खराब हो जाता है. Elon Musk, he's a raging narcissistic person, but everyone wants to be a part of the glamour.
दो नार्सिसिस्ट लोग एक दूसरे को डेट कर सकते हैं. 71.7% लोग हमें सब्सक्राइब ही नहीं करते आउट ऑफ ऑल द पीपल हु वॉच अवर पॉडकास्ट. तो मेरी एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि अगर आपको हमारे चैनल से कभी भी वैल्यू मिली है देन प्लीज़ हमारे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करिए ताकि हम आपके लिए और भी बेहतर और इंसाइटफुल गेस्ट लाते रहें. लाइफ में कभी आपके साथ ऐसा हुआ है कि किसी और पर्सन की वजह से खुद को आपने डाउट किया हो, खुद की रियलिटी, खुद की बातें, खुद का बिहेवियर एंड मेमोरी को डाउट किया हो? क्या कभी ऐसे पर्सन के अराउंड रहे हो जो अनप्रिडिक्टेबल है? कभी आपको एकदम से लगता है कि वो लव एंड केयर देंगे एंड नेक्स्ट मोमेंट आपको इनविजिबल फील करा देते हैं? इफ यस देन चांसेस आर कि आप एक नार्सिसिस्टिक पर्सन के अराउंड हो. हमारी आज की गेस्ट क्लिनिकल एंड फोरेंसिक साइकोलॉजिस्ट हवोवी हैदराबाद वाला. हमने उनसे बात की है नार्सिसिस्टिक लोगों के बिहेवियर एंड साइंस के बारे में. क्या टाइप्स होते हैं नार्सिसिज्म के, कौन से फेमस लीडर्स हैं जो नार्सिसिस्ट हैं, और कैसे हम एक नार्सिसिस्ट इंसान से डील कर सकते हैं ताकि वो हमारे आसपास रह के हमें ही ज़्यादा डाउट से ना भर दे, हमारा ही सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस ना ख़त्म कर दे. क्योंकि ऐसे लोगों से बचना बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है एंड उनको आइडेंटिफाई करना उससे भी ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. बट ये पॉडकास्ट स्टार्ट करने से पहले राजशमानी क्लिप्स एंड राजशमानी शॉर्ट्स को जाके सब्सक्राइब कर लो, क्योंकि वहाँ पर इस बड़े एपिसोड की छोटी छोटी क्लिप्स डालते हैं ताकि आपको कम समय में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इंसाइट्स एंड वैल्यू मिले. आप इस पूरे पॉडकास्ट का ऑडियो एक्सपीरियंस भी सुन सकते हैं स्पॉटिफाई पे. वहाँ पे आप हमें जाके फॉलो कर सकते हैं. एंजॉय द शो. बेसिक चीज, ओके, 2024 है, स्टिल मैक्सिमम लोग जिनसे मैं मिलता हूँ, ये मेरा फर्स्ट हैंड एक्सपीरियंस है, मैं खुद पूछता हूँ लोगों से, लोगों को यही नहीं पता कि साइकोलॉजिस्ट के पास कब जाते हैं और साइकेट्रिस्ट के पास कब जाते हैं. क्या डिफरेंस होता है दोनों में और किसके पास कब जाना चाहिए?
Amazing question to start with. It's like मेरा एक्सीडेंट हुआ है, okay? The person who will do surgery, let's just say I've broken my bones, the person who will come to me, वो जो प्रोफेशनल आएंगे वो ऑर्थोपीडिक सर्जन रहेंगे,
मेरी जो हड्डियां जोड़ेंगे.
ओके, या नाउ दिस इज द फिजिकल एस्पेक्ट ऑफ इट. हाँ, ये फिजिकल चीज है, तो द सर्जन विल कम एंड फिक्स इट, राइट? पोस्ट सर्जरी केयर is given by a physiotherapist. A psychiatrist is somebody who looks at you from a very physiological point of view. जो न्यूरोलॉजी हमारी होती है, हमारे हार्मोन्स होते हैं, उनके पास वो स्किल सेट है जो डॉक्टर के पास होती है. वो दवा देंगी आपको. There are some psychiatrists who also do therapy. Okay? But therapy requires a very different language. Therapy क्या होती है? Programming होती है. Which is why when we talk about programming, reprogramming, etc., it's like doing physiotherapy on the outside, right? So your psychotherapist or your psychologist, वो आपको वहाँ पे मदद करेंगे. Start with a psychologist, start with a psychotherapist, right? A good professional will tell you if you need a psychiatrist. Also, psychiatrist will also tell you if you need therapy.
Tell me basic चीजें जिसके लिए डायरेक्ट साइकोलॉजिस्ट क्या जाना चाहिए, डायरेक्ट साइकियाट्रिस्ट क्या जाना चाहिए?
Let's say everything has been going very, very fine. Okay. It's not very specific, but I will mota moti, right? Right now you've lost somebody. Okay. For example, आप बहुत सैड हो, go to a therapist. They'll probably help you. They'll hold your hand through this period of grief.
Okay.
All sadness is not depression. Depression requires medication. Not at all levels, but let's just say they will be able to identify कि क्या हो रहा है, कहाँ हो तुम. Sometimes a lot of people end up just going to a psychiatrist in the beginning. ये खा नहीं रही है, सिर्फ रो रही है. Yes, I have lost somebody. I'm going through grief.
Do you think कि जिन लोगों को लगता है मुझे पिल्स की जरूरत नहीं है, उन्हें जरूरत होती है usually?
Not always.
Not always?
Not always.
और जिन लोगों को जरूरत नहीं होती उनको भी बहुत लोग दे देते हैं. हाँ.
It happens in malpractice, no like finger pointing or anything. पर होता है. When you have a certain technical training, right? There are professionals who might give you medication if they feel like ये fix हो जाएगा. ये fix हो जाएगा, give the medication. It's not necessary. It might not be necessary. But this is again, if I have an injury, one person will say, oh, do cupping. The other person will say, oh no, do flexing. It's like that. You go to a particular professional, वो तुमको उनका opinion बताएंगे. So make an informed decision and be very honest.
But I have seen, और इतने सारे मेरे friends हैं जो directly किसी issue के through गुजर रहे थे, and उसकी वजह से वो psychiatrist के पास चले गए. एंड बहुत सारे साइकेट्रिस्ट इतने बड़े नेम्स के, इतने फेमस थे, तो उनके पास टाइम ही नहीं था. तो मतलब हाँ टक 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 4 मेडिसिन एंड गो. और उनके साथ ये हुआ, और जब उनको जरूरत नहीं थी किसी पिल्स की, तब से उन्हें आदत लगा दी. नाउ दे फील कि शॉर्टकट है. तो सोना है तो ये दवाई लो, सो जाओ, आगे बढ़ जाओ.
You're not wrong. There are, in the same breath, I will tell you, I am also affiliated to psychiatrists who will sit with you for 40 minutes, 45 minutes, up to an hour, as long as I would sit with you. And they will listen to you. They will talk to you. They will help you. You need to find the right professional.
In your experience, सबसे ज़्यादा common personality disorder, if I want to say, और सबसे ज़्यादा common trait, या ऐसा लगे कि थोड़ा सा ब्रोकन है, इसको फिक्स करना है, या थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम है, इसको इवॉल्व करना है, एम्पावर करना है, ऐसी कौन सी चीजें हैं जो यू हैव सीन? लाइक गिव मी 3-4 disorders if you want to put it. क्या बोल सकते हैं इसको? Traits, disorder, how would I put
it?
Disorder, so personality disorders.
Yeah. Traits are जो हमारी यूनिक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होती है, वो ट्रेट्स होती है जो पर्सनालिटी बनाती है.
ठीक. सो टेल मी बहुत मोस्ट कॉमन पर्सनालिटी डिसऑर्डर्स जिससे जो आपने देखा आपके एक्सपीरियंस में इन इंडिया.
इन इंडिया, वेरी स्पेसिफिक टू इंडिया, बिकॉज आई एम अ प्राइवेट प्रैक्टिशनर, आई विल से borderline comes a lot. Borderline personality disorder comes a lot. And then there is also obsessive compulsive personality disorder that comes. Also dependent personality disorder. And मुझे पता है ये hot favorite है, पर बहुत बार आती नहीं है, वो narcissism है.
Hot favorite क्यों बोला ऐसे?
Because the whole internet is talking about it. Because in the West, it's very prominent in the West. However, we don't have those kind of numbers.
In India?
In India, while I say that, I'm very cautious about the fact that they also don't come to therapy. Let's just be very clear.
Yeah.
Okay, this might sound very rebellious, but it's a fact. Right? We understand the concept of narcissism. Like one of the core characteristics is that they will not adhere to the fact that they are wrong. अगर खुद की गलती नहीं देखोगे तो क्यों आ रहे हो तुम? Right? They'll come because somebody has coerced them into therapy. कि नहीं, तुम जाओ, तुम फिक्स होके आओ, फिर बात करेंगे.
But उन्हें लगता ही नहीं तो जाते ही नहीं, और जाते भी तो वर्क नहीं करता usually.
I mean, I worked with a decent amount of narcissistic personality people to say that वो आएंगे, बात करेंगे, चले जाएंगे. Is that translation? of the work, no, because they're not able to see the truth. So it's a very real thing. Yeah. While I might meet a lot of narcissistic people outside of my clinic room, but they would never enter my clinic room also.
मैंने कहीं पे पढ़ा था इंटरनेट पे कि नार्सिसिस्टिक पर्सनालिटी डिसऑर्डर इकलौता एक डिसऑर्डर है जहाँ पर सब थेरेपी पे जाते हैं एक्सेप्ट फॉर द पर्सन हु नीड्स इट. सो इट्स लाइक people go to therapy who don't need therapy but have to go to therapy because the person who needs therapy won't go to therapy.
Absolutely, because it will ruin the person who is around them. It will ruin the people, the full atmosphere. घर का माहौल खराब हो जाता है, ऑफिस का माहौल खराब हो जाता है. I've had people come to me because their boss or their parent or their spouse is narcissistic.
बेसिक टर्म्स में नार्सिज्म होता क्या है?
थोड़ी सी कहानी.
ओके.
Narcissus in Greek mythology is a prince who basically said no to many suitors, proposals. He would just say no and constantly break hearts. The Greek gods noticed and they put a curse on him. You will basically fall in love with yourself and you will live and die alone. Narcissistic personality क्या होती है? They are always about themselves. The world revolves around them. The narrative of the house, office, जहाँ पे भी तुम हो, it is about them and what they want. The treatment is to be given only to them. The royal treatment is to be given only to them. And they're very extremely dysregulated people. What does that mean? बहुत ही volatile होते हैं.
मतलब?
Temper tantrums, anger, abuse, because they don't know how to, let's say, function in a space of pressure and stress. Agar it doesn't go in their way, they rather leave. They rather leave, exit, than face that.
सारे लोग जो बोलते हैं मुझे अटेंशन दो, जो क्रेव करते हैं, डिमांड दे, नार्सिसिस्टिक?
No.
Okay, so
not at all.
What are the traits then? कैसे डिटेक्ट कर सकते हो कि ये नार्सिसिस्ट है और ये नहीं है?
Okay, हम नार्सिसिस्टिक पर्सनालिटी डिसऑर्डर के बारे में बात करेंगे. Okay, at this point I would like to say there are people who have narcissistic traits. Okay,
बट वो कंप्लीटली नार्सिसिस्ट नहीं है,
वो पर्सनालिटी डिसऑर्डर नहीं है.
Okay.
ट्रेस जो होती है वो यूनिक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होती है. ओके, पर्सनालिटी डिसऑर्डर जो होता है, इट इज अक्रॉस अ स्पैन ऑफ टाइम, इट इज परवेसिव. मतलब इट्स लिटरली फ्रॉम द टाइम यू आर born, brought up, you live in that environment and it continues till you perish. Okay, so it's across the spectrum. So when we say narcissistic personality disorder, we're talking about that this person, unke patterns have been consistent across time. Okay, as opposed to traits. You will see lack of empathy. In some very vicious cases, you see lack of remorse. I have a lot of victims that come to me of narcissistic parents, of narcissistic spouses. They're very, very vicious. So
vicious meaning what?
Vicious in the sense that उनके behaviors जो होते हैं, उनके outbursts जो होते हैं, they can get right down to physical abuse जो होती है, sexual abuse होती है. It's very, very real. Verbal abuse तो is there. So these are some things that over time do not change. If you have a narcissistic trait, it's a trait. It's not disrupting anyone's life. It's not disrupting your life per se. And those things can change. A narcissistic person will never think about changing. यही मेरी दुनिया है, यही मेरी असलियत है. This is my reality. तुमको fit होना है, तुम आओ.
Okay.
And very grandiose in nature. Extremely grandiose.
Explain.
Loud. Living the grand life. like living it out, like tangibly also, like you'll see the big cars and the money and the labels and the Gucci's and the Pradas and you name it, it is there. It is theirs. So while that can be goals for some people, that is a sense of validation for them.
So that's the only type of narcissism? कि और भी होते हैं?
There are different types of narcissism. एक जो होती है overt narcissism होती है, जिसके बारे में हमने अभी बात की थी.
Okay. Grandeur.
Grandeur. They want flattery. They want to be told that they are awesome, that they are great. You'll see like ridiculous amounts of confidence. कुछ है नहीं अंदर. It's a very pretty facade. पर I'll keep it light. I'll say, Bol Bachchan, Amitabh Bachchan, they say, no? So literally, it is like that there's nothing inside.
कि अंदर भी substance नहीं है?
Substance नहीं है. मुझे बताओ, मैं pretty हूँ. Okay, great. Right? So constantly looking for flattery and things like that. वो overt वाले narcissism
ठीक है
की category होती है. Covert होती है. Flying under the radar. तुम्हें पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि तुम्हारी लाइफ में नार्सिस्टिक पर्सनालिटी एंटर हो रही है. ओके, सो दे विल स्टार्ट बाय बीइंग ग्रेट विथ यू, हेल्प, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स, अ लॉट ऑफ केयर, कंसर्न, एंड दे विल स्लाइड इनटू योर लाइफ. बट बिफोर यू नो इट, दे आर कंट्रोलिंग योर लाइफ. बहुत ही सटल, very, very subtle. Then they go down to, verbal punishment, a lot of guilt, looking for apologies, looking for validation in their own manner. वो covert होती है. ज़्यादातर overt, statistically we see in men, and covert we see in women. Yes, females are also narcissistic.
Okay.
And I know you're a fan of statistics. The last paper that I read, there was no disparity between men and women in narcissism.
So I was reading and मैंने ये पढ़ा कि 4 टाइप की नार्सिसिज्म होती है, which you kind of explained, but उनके terms दूसरे थे. First was grandeur narcissism. तो grandeur narcissism is कि मुझे बाहर बहुत वैलिडेशन चाहिए, मैं बहुत ग्रैंड जेस्चर्स करूंगा, मैं चाहता हूँ हर कोई ये सोचे कि मैं कितना अच्छा हूँ, मैं कितना बढ़िया हूँ, मुझे फ्लैटरी चाहिए, राइट? एवरीथिंग इज ग्रैंड इन जेस्चर. आई वांट दैट एप्रिसिएशन 24/7 एंड वैलिडेशन, राइट? देन सेकंड होता है व्हिच इज वल्नरेबल नार्सिसिज्म, व्हिच the first wala usually you see it in men, vulnerable usually you see it in women, which is like कि हर चीज में वो victimization play करते हैं.
A lot. Narcissistic people victimize themselves a lot. The story of poor me, जो उनकी हम life script बोलते हैं, that story doesn't end.
Yeah.
That ये मुझे हुआ, poor me. ये मुझे हुआ, poor me. I am the victim. And it's very addictive. Being in the victim stance is very addictive. It's like what I call emotional drugs, cocaine, emotional cocaine. It is
victimization, self-victimization is emotional drugs.
Yeah, and like even learned helplessness. If you grow up in an environment where you're constantly around somebody who's learned that no, I can't get out of this situation, you will learn it too.
And then
even
you start
if you're
blaming.
equipped, yeah, that oh, this person did this and I'm in this situation. यही मेरी life है.
So that's all. So that's usually vulnerable कि मैं हर चीज मेरे साथ गलत हो रही है, इसने गलत किया, उसने गलत किया, ये किया, मैं किसी ना किसी तरह से रो के, मना के, चिड़चिड़ होके, गुस्सा करके I'll make sure कि सब मुझ पे attention करें, right? Then third type, which is a more in a way कि मैं रिवेंज वाले मोड में.
Yeah, malignant is very vicious.
हाँ, मतलब इसने मेरे साथ ऐसे किया तो अब मैं इसको बताता हूँ.
They actually हमारी जो पर्सनैलिटी डिसऑर्डर्स होती है वो क्लस्टर के हिसाब होती है. क्लस्टर ए, क्लस्टर बी, क्लस्टर सी.
Okay.
Cluster B also has something called antisocial personality disorder. Now this you will see a lot more in like medical legal wards. They're obviously not out in the open. And if they're out in the open, I mean, I've had people come to me into white collar crime. So point is that antisocial personality disorder, along with the narcissism, the traits are very similar because there's lack of remorse होती है, they don't feel bad about anything. They don't have a guilty conscience or anything of that sort. They can be, again, very, very violent to the point of actually doing criminal activities. So, yes, you have your malignant.
So that's the one where they are spiteful, petty. उनको revenge लेना होता है कि मुझे कैसे कर दिया. So now
More than
life
anything, they're
becomes that.
vengeful, like petty और ये सब मतलब they are all
They become
under
sadist.
yeah, and more like they'll almost look like criminals to you. और ये जो है, it's overlapping. It does overlap. Like you'll see a lot of criminals out there. You will see that they have very narcissistic traits. They're very charming. They're very good. Like if we talk about, for example, Ted Bundy, like classic example, very charming, very high on narcissism, high on ESBD, both.
So that's the third type. And the fourth, which is fascinating, जो अभी नया बहुत बढ़ते जा रहा है in the world, that is communal narcissism. So communal narcissism is कि मैं चाहता हूँ कि दुनिया में लोग ये देखें कि मैं कितनी चैरिटी कर रहा हूँ, मैं कितना अच्छा हूँ, मैं कितने लोगों की हेल्प कर रहा हूँ. नॉट कि मुझे उस कॉज से मतलब है, नॉट कि मुझे बीच क्लीन करना है या मुझे किसी की हेल्प करनी है. मैं बस ये चाहता हूँ कि दूसरे लोग देखें कि मैं कितनी चैरिटी करता हूँ, मुझे दुनिया से लगाव नहीं है.
Correct.
मैं मेरे पैसे सिर्फ चैरिटी करने में यूज करता हूँ.
It is all done for praise and validation.
Validation, praise. So
that's what it is.
Communal narcissism.
Yeah, and you'll see like they are often like engaged in like what we call moral rage. Krantikari Morcha. There's always a morcha. They're always angry about something. They're always out to say something that is very big. And while those things might be very valid, like yes, we must clean our beaches and all, but the intention of the person is not the people.
Is themselves.
Okay, is themselves. So that's something that is very real and you can't see them. So,
do you think world leaders जो हैं वो narcissist होते हैं?
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Yes, but
almost all.
No, I don't want to say that all are narcissistic personality disorder, but they do have narcissistic traits. और ये चीज important है. Like you cannot always look at narcissistic traits as something wrong. There is a certain good behind it. Today, when let's say I'm talking about doing something very big, I have to go inward. I have to block everything out. I have to focus on myself and the bigger picture. Now, this is good narcissism. This is healthy narcissism, where you're just thinking about what your focus is, what is at hand, and there's a component of us. Bahar ke baare mein. What we just spoke about, communal, right? It's not the same. They actually think about how am I going to benefit the world.
But that can be grandeur narcissism in a way कि बाहर सबको लगना चाहिए कि मैंने बढ़िया काम किया और मैं करूँगा.
बाहर सबको लगना चाहिए और मैं ये लोगों के लिए कर रहा हूँ, कर रही हूँ is different. One is towards you and yourself.
Okay.
Right? Which goes inward, which is all the narcissisms, the types that we spoke about. But healthy narcissistic people, they will think about others. And they will not fall into a pure form of narcissistic personality disorder.
Okay.
Because narcissistic personality disorder बहुत clinical चीज होती है. वहाँ पे there's no us, there's nobody else, there's only me.
पर हर जो बड़ा narcissist person होता है या trait होता है, disorder होता है personalities को, वो खुद को believe करा देता है या करा देती है कि मैं सब कर रहा हूँ, लोगों के लिए कर रहा हूँ.
Sure.
Like a lot of leaders.
But now you would have to check. You would have to check.
Cult leaders.
Yeah.
वो उनको नहीं लगता कि वो खुद के लिए कर रहे हैं. उन्हें तो believe है कि वो लोगों का बेटर कर रहे हैं.
And at most times it's fake. It's very easy to say 3 things and not live up to it. No, I'm not.
A lot of people live up to it as well.
A lot of people live up to it.
But let's talk about. Give me a famous example. कि जो narcissist होगा कोई famous world leader का, and then let's just talk about it. Let's say Hitler. Okay, he had a lot of narcissistic traits.
Sure.
Right, think about it.
Sure.
वो almost believe करता था कि वो जो कर रहा है वो सही लोगों के लिए ही कर रहा है. Like He was very delulu, right?
Yeah, but you have your raging narcissist. You have the likes, and sorry for saying this, but you have the likes of Elon Musk. He's a raging narcissistic person. Everybody knows that, right? But everyone wants to be a part of the glamour. And a lot of people see like, wow, this is who I want to work with. The moment you start working, you will see that you are treated as a commodity. While you are affiliated with the name, it's not like you're sitting there and, chilling with him. You are of a certain use to him. And then if he has to discard you, he will discard you. Which he has done in the past, right? Yeah. We all know, like, it's all over the news.
Multiple times.
Yeah. But in the same energy, he's done lots of things that could be like going to the moon and going to other planets and finding things. Sure. Like, he's at another level.
Then, for doing big things in life, या कुछ ऐसा इतना बड़ा करना है कि पूरी कंट्री चलानी है, कहीं किसी को एक प्लेस से दूसरी प्लेस लेके जाना है, बहुत बड़ा काम कर रहा है, you need to be a little narcissist.
Yes, absolutely.
So narcissistic people are good leaders?
I mean, I would say you would need to be slightly narcissistic to be a leader. Forget good or bad.
Top names लो world में जिन्होंने दुनिया change करी है. Okay, from the tech world, from business world, from political world.
They all have narcissistic traits.
Exactly.
They do.
And बहुत सारे लोग वो अपने आसपास के लोगों को जब उनसे बात करोगे, they treated them like shit.
Yes.
Because सब commodity थे. So when you hear about Steve Jobs,
yes,
he changed the world in a way.
Yeah.
Right? पर क्या?
But he had raging tantrums in office.
Exactly, right?
Yeah.
Hardcore.
Yeah.
So many prime ministers, presidents around the world.
Yes. They do.
Their fights, like so many leaders just had a fight ki note pe photo kiska chapega. That's another level of, let's say, a narcissistic trait. That I want the world to praise me for the things that I'm doing.
You want to feel important. Yeah, you want to feel important. Sure.
तो फिर ये तो जरूरी हुआ ना, हिस्ट्री तो ये बोलती है कि
I will tell you, if you just look at it, मतलब हम scientifically देखेंगे, it would be very difficult for other personality disorders. Now I'm saying disorders. I'm not saying traits. I'm not saying, just one singular thing. It would be difficult for them to manage and grow big. You need a certain level of fire जो narcissism में होती है. So not glorifying it, it's great to have certain traits. Don't flip over to the disorder.
Do you think there are narcissist people in our...
Of course.
Yeah.
I mean, like, the way our culture is also, like, it's very... I mean, you can literally grow narcissism the way the collectivistic is, the patriarchy is. Narcissists will bloom in this sort of an environment. यहाँ पे boundaries नहीं होते हैं ना.
पता ही नहीं होता लोग boundaries.
तुम boundary बनाओगे मतलब तुम गलत हो, तुम wrong हो, तुम कहाँ से आए हो, तुम हमारे बच्चे ही नहीं हो. And that is so sad and so toxic because it will take one person to change that transgenerational trauma, what we call, right? I've spoken to people who've literally had 3-4 generations of trauma within their system. And they talk about the people before them. No one's able to break out of it. But तुम try करोगे, तुम्हें बहुत backlash मिलेगी.
इसलिए
बहुत important है पर.
Do you think prime ministers and presidents around the world right now, जो भी powerful leaders लगते हैं, वो सब narcissist हैं? या traits हैं?
They have traits. They have to have traits.
And this is including like all the, let's say, top 4-5.
You are running a country. You're running a country. You can't be overtly nurturing or overtly critical. So you need to have a healthy level of narcissism to have success in running a country. It's just that simple. Today you'll see you see the biggest names in the industries, forget prime ministers and presidents. You see a very well-run organization also. It's, let's say, one person's vision or two people's vision, which has scaled.
Yeah.
और वो scale हुई है because the energy was in that direction. And if I'm, in the other disorders, for example, there's a lot of, they're emotionally labile, they swing, ये वो बहुत turbulence होता है, right? How am I going to hold a job? How am I going to hold my position? Right? How am I going to help you?
True. Plus, I've seen a lot of women and men both
Yes.
dating a more dominant and a powerful person because they feel like they complete that part of them which they can't do in their life.
Yeah, that is very true. It's also, if you come from a certain household upbringing script of life, it's a familiar feeling. Today, if I come from a space where, there's constantly someone screaming, shouting, yelling, I'm not saying that you will purposely choose that, but subconsciously it seems to be a pattern कि तुम कुछ ऐसे ही choose करोगे
कि तुम comfortable उससे.
Familiar feeling. Another drug.
We're talking about family. जो सबसे बड़ा narcissistic trait usually families में होता है कि you have this typical a father or a mother figure जो narcissistic trait के हैं, वो दुनिया के सामने बहुत अच्छे हैं, वो बहुत loving है, caring है, वो extra करेंगे, वो डिपिक्ट करेंगे पूरी दुनिया के सामने कि you're the world, ताकि पूरी दुनिया को लगे कि यार हम में एक प्रॉब्लम है, उनमें प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. And then जब वो घर आते हैं तो it's completely opposite.
It's very opposite.
They'll be forgetful, they'll be shouting, they'll be screaming,
they will not compliment you, they will isolate you. If they see like तुम्हारी एक friend है या friend, like male, female, doesn't matter. But if you have a friend who can influence you, they will make sure that they cut you out. They will make sure that there's no safe space outside of them. They will gate you. You are their victim, unfortunately. They will make sure there's no external help or safe space whatsoever. And the unfortunate bit is that guilt or shame, at least India में trump card होती है parenting की. Guilt and shame is just the dialogues, na? Listen to the dialogues over the years. जैसे अच्छा पर मैं तो तुम्हारी माँ हूँ, अच्छा पाल पोस के बड़ा किया ये दिन देखने को. These are very real things that everybody hears at some point in their life. And then the child in you will be like, yeah, but these are my parents. There's no objectivity. Then there is emotions. और फिर तुम फिर से फंस जाते हो. I will tell you what I have observed and what I have seen.
ठीक है.
Okay. हमने ऑलरेडी बात की कि बाहर जो होता है मतलब बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल होता है. घर के अंदर जो होता है verbal abuse, sexual abuse, physical abuse, they will make you believe that there's no world outside of this. जो डायलॉग्स होती है वो घर का मामला घर में रहना चाहिए. किसी को पता नहीं होना चाहिए कि ये घर में हो रहा है. अगर किसी को पता चला, you will be the victim. No one will believe you.
क्यों लोग बिलीव नहीं करेंगे?
There's no evidence, no? क्योंकि जो इमेज जो बाहर है वो इतनी pristine है, घर के अंदर हो रहा है, कोई बिलीव ही नहीं करेगा. And also you are talking to a child. Please understand that. So that you are the primary caregiver. You are making this person's programming. You are laying the foundation for this person. वो जो होती है manipulation, gaslighting we call it, right? You totally deny the reality of a person. They'll come and say, पर आपने तो ये बोला था. मैंने कब बोला था? तुम ही बता रहे हो. मैंने कभी नहीं बोला था. They will do 50 things which are tangible in nature. But they will never hold accountability. They will never accept it.
So the traits, अगर कोई घर में है और वो traits देखना चाहता है family members में, कोई narcissistic है कि नहीं. So first is you said कि वो आपको believe करा देंगे घर के बाहर दुनिया है ही नहीं.
Yes.
घर की बात घर में रहनी चाहिए, सब चीजें हम
Yes.
घर परिवार साथ साथ ये सब देखना
Yes.
चाहिए,
Yes.
बाहर की दुनिया को पता नहीं चलना चाहिए what is
Yes.
happening. Okay, so that is first.
Because that image is everything, na? If anybody goes out, what image is left? And that's possibly the worst punishment for a narcissistic person, that they get ostracized in their community. There is separation abuse.
क्या होता है separation abuse?
Separation abuse जो होती है, तुम निकल कैसे गए?
वो तो इतने अच्छे थे.
तुम निकल कैसे गए? I will show you. And then there is a lot of coercion. Again, verbal, physical, right up to sexual abuse. They will
Separation के बाद भी.
separation के बाद भी कि तुम कैसे गए. They will try to recoup as much as they can, and they will show you, like, that thing is, I am the boss. How could you leave? How could you leave? That is the biggest dhakka for a narcissistic parent
So
or
you're
a
telling
narcissistic
me,
person. Let's just put it at that.
so you're telling me कि जिसके घर में नार्सिसिस्टिक पेरेंट है और अगर आपने उनकी इमेज तोड़ के आप बाहर निकल भी गए, सो वो रिवेंज मोड पे आ जाएंगे, वेंजफुलनेस
yes.
में आ जाएंगे कि तूने ऐसा कर दिया, मेरी आइडियल इमेज खत्म कर दी,
Oh,
सो
yes.
नाउ आई विल डिस्ट्रॉय यू.
Oh, yes.
कैन दे डू दैट?
They have.
बट फिर उनकी इमेज और खराब नहीं हो गई कि ये अलग हो गया या ये अलग हो गई या ये बाहर निकल गया, तो उसके बाद अगर मैं पब्लिकली इसकी मतलब पंगे करूंगा इससे, तो और ज्यादा उनकी इमेज कहाँ
Publicly
में?
नहीं होती है ना. They find them in a space of isolation and they repeat the abuse. That
What
I
is the
will
type
teach
of
you the way.
abuse? क्या क्या abuse कर सकते हैं रिवेंज मोड पे?
It will be financial withdrawal. It will be verbal abuse.
क्या होता है
Obviously,
verbal abuse में?
verbal abuse, just, you know, obviously, like bad words, profanity. Also, constantly going back to the things that worked back then when you had power. They will do their best to repeat those things to make you feel a sense of guilt and shame कि तुम कुछ नहीं हो. See, a narcissistic person thrives on the fact that they can dismantle you, your self-value, your self-worth. The thrill and the power is there. And that's what really, really drives them.
Do you think this is, ये भी एक नार्सिसिस्टिक पर्सन को ट्रबल कर सकता है? जब एक नार्सिसिस्ट, बिकॉज यू सेड कि नार्सिसिस्ट इंसान उसका पूरा पावर और जो सेंस ऑफ लिविंग है या सेंस ऑफ एडमिरेशन है उसके खुद के लिए, वो दो चीजों से आता है. एक की बाहर की दुनिया उसको क्या मानती है, इमेज प्रोजेक्शन,
Yeah.
एंड अंदर की मेरे पास कितना पावर है, मैं कंट्रोल कैसे करता हूँ.
Yes.
राइट, मेरी वजह से तुम हो, मेरी वजह से दुनिया
Correct.
चल रही है, मेरी वजह से तुम्हारी
Correct.
दुनिया चल रही है, मेरी वजह से पैसे आ रहे हैं,
Yeah.
मैं नहीं होता तो तुम्हारे साथ क्या होता,
Correct.
मैं नहीं होता तो घर कैसे चलता है, तुम कमा भी कैसे पाते,
Great dialogues.
राइट, ऑल ऑफ दीज डायलॉग्स,
Yeah.
एंड देन यू कीप इट. देन इफ यू सेपरेट, आप निकल जाते हो और उन्हें लगता है कि अब आप इंडिपेंडेंट बन गए और उनका कंट्रोल खत्म हो गया.
They'll hate it.
Related?
Horrible. It's the nightmare of a narcissistic parent. There have been cases, why just parents, but there have been cases of lovers, partners, spouses, where they will plot and scheme for months after you leave. There will be lots of silence. It's almost like criminal trait, right? Plot करते हैं, दूसरे को बोला
ठंडा करके मारेंगे.
अरे यस एब्सोल्युटली कि देखो इसने ये किया, इसने ये किया, इसने ये. आई थिंक वी शुड ऑस्ट्रसाइज. ये गंदा है, ये देखो, हम पेरेंट्स हैं, पाल पोस के बड़ा किया, चला गया. दिस इज सच अ कॉमन डायलॉग, स्पेशली इन आवर कलेक्टिविस्टिक कंट्री. दे लुक एट इट एज
इट्स अ बैड थिंग.
एक घर दो चूल्हे कैसे हो सकते हैं, राइट? इट्स बैड. They don't realize it, that this doesn't work anymore.
पर डोंट यू थिंक कि फिर उनके लिए एक पॉजिटिव भी है ये, लाइक अगर
If there's no power, there's no immediate hold, there's no instant gratification, and if there are boundaries, that's it.
ओके, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट फादर एंड सन, क्योंकि यूजुअली होता है कि एक टाइम बाद पावर डायनामिक्स की वजह से दे सेपरेट. ओके,
Very common.
सो इफ द सन गोज अवे, फादर इज देयर, पापा को लगता था आज तक मैं कंट्रोल करता था, अब बच्चा इंडिपेंडेंट हो गया,
Yeah.
अब मैं कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकता.
Yeah.
सो पापा या फादर लाइक और whoever in the family, मदर फादर जिसको भी ये प्रॉब्लम है, वो रिवेंज मोड पे आ गए कि मेरे बिना रह कैसे सकता है, दिखाता हूँ मैं, देखता हूँ, right? क्यों करेंगे जबकि उनके बाहर प्रोजेक्शन में तो अच्छा ही है कि यार इन्होंने पाल पोछ के इतना बढ़िया कर दिया कि ये खुद के पैरों पे खड़ा हो गया.
Power, no? It's a power.
But their power is increasing, right? कि पहले सिर्फ एक था, अब 2 लोग हो गए together which are making the house better.
No, because it's about me and only me. I'm not going to share the space with you. तुम यहाँ पे कैसे आए हो? ये मेरी जगह है. It's a threat.
It's like तुम बाप मत बनो, मैं हूँ. It's very common.
It's very common. It's very common, especially where we live. It's almost insulting.
इसका solution क्या है?
You have to leave.
ये बहुत ज़्यादा, if you are saying common, and I can also think about मेरे इतने सारे friends हैं वो इसके थ्रू गुजर रहे हैं. कुछ लोग जो सेपरेट हो गए उसके बाद भी अब्यूज है, कुछ लोग नहीं हुए वो घर पे अभी तक अब्यूज because they're not able to get out of it. Okay.
You have
solution
to leave.
क्या है?
There's no solution. There's no solution. You have to leave.
But अगर आप छोड़ देते हो तो फिर separation abuse है.
Separation abuse है, not in all cases. You have to be very mindful about leaving.
कैसे
you have
कर
to
सकते हो?
plan. You have to make a plan.
Okay. How do you
Financial-
plan?
Sure.
Let's say financially तो एक है कि कोई ना कोई आज की जनरेशन में इतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं है because इतने सारे means हैं, people can मे बी अगर उनके फादर उनको 2 लाख 5 लाख 10 लाख रुपए देते थे या उनकी लाइफ एकदम लैविश थी, अब वो फादर से अलग हो गए तो वो 10,000 15,000 50,000 कमा रहे हैं. बट देयर इज वे आज के जमाने में वेयर पीपल कैन मेक सम अमाउंट ऑफ मनी एंड दे कैन गेट आउट. तो फाइनेंशियल अगर किसी ने मान लिया कि ठीक है मेरे को नहीं चाहिए, मैं अलग होना चाहता हूँ और मैं हो गया, तो सेपरेट तो हो गया, तो फाइनेंशियल अब्यूज से वो थोड़ा बाहर हो गया. लेट्स जस्ट पुट इट दिस वे. बट इमोशनल अब्यूज, पब्लिक अब्यूज, सोशल अब्यूज, वर्बल अब्यूज, ये सब इनसे कैसे कोई दूर जाएगा?
So I
at the
will
end of the
tell
day,
you,
it's a father-daughter, father-son,
Yeah.
mother-daughter,
Yeah.
mother-son
Yeah.
relationship.
Yeah. I will tell you that the victims of abuse have to restructure and replan their life. Okay? Let's start with the self. उनकी जो नर्वस सिस्टम होती है वो बहुत बहुत डैमेज होती है. Like literally you will see people who've grown up in narcissistic personality disorder homes, right? They're very to themselves. They don't know how to express. Even in their body language, they will be constantly anxious. They'll be very, मतलब vigilance कुछ extra ही होती है कि कुछ होने वाला है. Because you don't know, right? When you're in trauma, you can expect it at any point.
Yeah.
कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, one
कुछ
from the
होने
back.
वाला है.
You know, it'll either be verbal or physical. Anything can happen at any point. So your nervous system is so jolted. You don't know how to be relaxed.
डर के रहते हैं.
बहुत ही डर के रहते हैं. And they don't know how to express because there's been no platform to express, right? I don't give you an opportunity to express. You will do as I say. Now I give you the opportunity to express. पर मैं क्या बोलूं? Because I've not learned this language. That's why you come to therapy. So that you start reintegrating into yourself. Narcissistic people enmesh you. You have to break out of that. You have to come into yourself. Your self-worth is decided by you, not by what that person has said. You've heard it long enough. You have to surround yourself with safe people in safe spaces. ये जो आपने पूछा about planning, you have to work on internal and external. You will have to go through lots of therapy. I'm being very honest. I still have victims of narcissistic abuse coming to me like many, many years later because they don't know what to do with the freedom. ये भी प्रॉब्लम होती है. Like,
Yeah.
we can say that, Ari, but you're free. It's very easy to say. But a bird who's not left the cage.
Doesn't know how to fly and where to fly.
Exactly. So you need to say, here, I'm putting you out here on this window. Now you can go here. Where do you want to go? तुम choose करो. मैं हूँ यहाँ पे.
Yeah.
So that support is almost alien because this particular victim has been taking care of themselves and constantly been in that mode of vigilance. Now you're saying, come out of vigilance. You're reprogramming the system. So that is the internal work. The dialogues have to change because when you're brought up by a narcissistic parent, or if you lived with a narcissistic person for long enough, right? People who have NPD, right? You will hear them. You will hear them. They live rent-free in your brain. They don't have to pay you. They've taken over your system.
Yeah.
So whenever, also like I've seen people, sometimes they think there's a possibility for change. But this is my mom, this is my dad, this is my grandparent, this is my uncle, aunt, chacha, they're older than me. Narcissistic people thrive on apologies. You forgive them, they're not changing. So ye jo hope hai, while I love it, and there's a whole school of thought, and this is something Dr. Ramani, who's a amazing person. She's knows the inside out of narcissistic personality, right? She always says that's the best thing you can do for a narcissistic person. Give them an apology, forgive them, and you see how they do it again. Like literally, they're not going to change. Don't think that they're going to change. Ye personality hai. It doesn't change.
तो फिर उनसे separation और दूर जाना ही is solution.
Absolutely.
Out of touch.
Out of touch.
पर you live in India.
Yes.
Okay. And आपको बचपन से सिखाया जाता है
Yes.
कि परिवार नहीं तोड़ते.
My favorite.
Right? परिवार नहीं तोड़ते. आप दादा दादी पापा मम्मी से अलग नहीं हो सकते. आप इनसे कांटेक्ट नहीं छोड़ सकते. एंड सो आप बचपन से इन वैल्यूज के साथ बड़े होते हो.
Yes.
एंड यू बिलीव इन दिस.
Yes.
आपको कोई खराबी नहीं दिखती, और कितनी भी खराबी दिखती है आप ये सोचते हो कि सब ठीक हो जाएगा ना. घर है, घर की बात घर में रहती है. एट द एंड ऑफ द डे माई ब्लड इज माई ब्लड, और मेरे को मेरे परिवार के साथ ही रहना है. और एंड में मेरे परिवार ही मुझे काम आएगा. So
this is what will kill you. This parivar is not a parivar. Where is the parivar? This is on paper. Stop fooling yourself. Stop fooling yourself. Is he being a parent? What is the definition of a parent? Is this the definition of parent? No, it's not. Is this the definition of being a caregiver? No, it's not. You have to eventually, the formula is to detach. You have to leave. And you will be the black sheep. And people are going to tell you 30 things, 40 things, 50 things. You'll probably hear it till you pass away if your relatives are still alive. You know what you've been through.
And do you think people then, अगर वो ऐसे करेंगे, क्योंकि आसपास तो बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिन्हें पता ही नहीं था कि वो नार्सिसिस्ट है या नहीं है, वो अब्यूजिव है, तो तुम एनालाइज करके सबसे कटते जाओगे तो यू विल एंड अप बिकमिंग लोनली.
Why? Make your own family. Make your own society. Figure out who you want to be in touch with. It's a lot of work.
There are a lot of broken people around you.
Yes.
हर कोई फिक्स्ड इंसान के साथ थोड़ी आप घूम सकते हो. So difficult. सुनने में बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
It is difficult. I will never, like, literally, I will tell you whether it's any, just mental health. When you're working on your mental health, it is not a progressive graph. You're not only going to see good days, and it's not going to be uphill from here. आपने जो बोला, right? Societal pressure, इसका abuse, उसका abuse, so we're going to live, like, literally right now, you sounded like an ECG graph. वो होती है. That is the trajectory of mental health. When you're working on it, it is not all good days. But there is a great chance that if you break out, and you need to break out, it's not just a want, it is a need to end the cycle of abuse. Right? You have to leave. And sometimes there are people who are not just pure one personality disorder or whatever you want, or one category of
multiple
person.
personalities.
It could be that you can be narcissistic and histrionic, narcissistic with something else. Hoti hai.
Vulnerable
There is-
and grandeur. Like,
Yeah, there is a mixture because again, like people, right? The complex. You have your Kim Kardashian and Kanye West. Best example.
क्या?
Narcissism and dependent. You have Kanye West, who very beautifully controls the life of everybody he dates or marries or whatever it is. But basically, there's a position of power, and it's so amazing that everyone gets indoctrinated that what you are saying is the absolute truth. Like absolute truth. Like I think there was a show where Kim Kardashian came onto it, and she literally said on the show that Kanye showed me that, you know, my choices of fashion were so wrong. And he threw out her wardrobe, and for a chunk of time, she was wearing blues, whites, beige, blacks, grays. Do you see where I'm getting at with this? This is the gospel truth. If you saw that child also going to ballet, she never wear a pink tutu. It's a black tutu. This is what happens. And it's the truth that this is how we live. And you get used to it. You get very used to it. So you really don't know what to do with yourself. Once you exit, it requires a lot of work.
So जो लोग narcissistic families में हैं and वो separate नहीं होते और वो अलग नहीं जाते, वो break नहीं कर रहे, how can it affect a child? क्या हो सकता है उस इंसान के साथ? What are the things that can happen if somebody thinks कि हाँ ठीक है यार चलेगा, हम कर सकते हैं?
I mean, you will be living somebody else's life for the rest of your life. That's the biggest thing. कि तुम तुम्हारी life नहीं जी रहे हो.
A lot of people don't want their life.
Today there are people who decide their occupation based on what the narcissistic parent wants because they're constantly looking for validation
From the parent.
So डॉक्टर का बच्चा डॉक्टर ही होगा, engineer का बच्चा engineer ही होगा. All of these things are very real. They happen. And the child is constantly looking to get some sort of, just looking to be seen. Just look at me. That's all. Just acknowledge my presence. I'm here. And for that, they'll put their whole life on the line. 5 साल MBBS में करेंगे. If they survive it, great. If they want to do it, okay. I've seen people miserable.
Do you think Animal was a classic example of this?
Oh my God.
Huh?
Don't ask me controversial questions.
Controversial guess. I'm not talking about the women-men scene in there. I'm talking about father-son relationship.
Yeah, so that's a very real thing. That's a very good example, actually. It's a very good example.
So Animal में, you think the father was the narcissistic person. Okay. And son was this, was a symptom, so there was a cause and the effect of that cause was the son.
And you know, the son goes out of his way to constantly get validation that he exists. He's a broken person. Not to validate the movie or the film, but ये चीजें होती है. And it's very unfortunate that, you know, people will go to any extent and not see what is in front of them. Today, when you are reprogramming yourself, you require to surround yourself with people who are able to show you the real picture. I tell everybody, like whoever's working on their mental health, I tell them, you need a village. तुम मेरे पास आते हो, तुम 1 घंटा बैठते हो. You understand what I'm saying. You're an intelligent person. Sure, you might go out, you might change certain things, right? While that might be right, you also need to surround yourself because I am not enough for you.
24/7, you need something better.
You require someone, not always around, but you require a good support system. And this is the beauty of India. I really love India for this. And I love the collectivistic culture for this. That we have so much support system here. तुम देखोगे तुम्हें मिलेगा. While there is a epidemic of loneliness, but if you look, you will find. It takes time. But you need to figure out who do you want in this village of yours. कौन है तुम्हारे friends? Who are your new adopted parents? We talk constantly about, kids getting adopted. Adopt parents. Why not? Again, it's a very different thought process. Okay. And it requires a lot of work. No, my parents will always be my parents. Sure. They will. But have they done anything that they are at that darja? Education diya, roti, kapda, makan. We're all grateful for it. But look what they've taken.
Yeah.
So you require people to have... That is why they will isolate you. Narcissistic people, narcissistic parents, spouses, you will see there are lots of instances where all of a sudden a friend disappears. शादी हो गई, disappear हो गए. क्या हुआ पता नहीं. 1 year later, this person resurfaces, man, woman, whatever, doesn't matter. This individual resurfaces and says, oh yeah, I've really been at home. क्या हो रहा है घर पे? No, he really loves me. He's really protective. You did not just say that.
क्यों गलत क्या इसमें? I know what galat is. I want
right?
I want it from you, yeah.
Because these are the beautiful toxic dialogues that we thrive on. बहुत protective है ना? उससे बहुत प्यार करता है. अच्छा, okay, fine, all right. What is that on your arm? Oh, it's a bruise. मैं गिर गई थी. Oh, is it? All right. Okay. But you know what's happening.
You can make it out.
You can make out. There are signs and tells everywhere.
Can you fix as a kid? अगर मैं चाहता हूँ कि मेरे माँ बाप फिक्स हो जाए, ये उनका ट्रेट टॉक्सिक बिहेवियर या नार्सिसिस्टिक बिहेवियर, can I fix it?
As a kid?
Yeah.
My heart breaks. No.
It breaks my heart.
It does.
क्योंकि कितने सारे I know so many people, they are in a hope कि यार उन्हें fix करना है.
I was just gonna say my favorite, Hopain.
The fixers, right?
Hopain. Hope, cocaine, Hopain. Right? And this is, I think I heard it.
Cocaine.
Yeah, I heard this. Yeah.
What is hope cocaine? Please explain.
This is
Elaborate
it.
more.
This is it, right? The thought is that tomorrow will be different. Tomorrow will be different. Tomorrow will be different. The kid lives on this hope that tomorrow will be different.
और नहीं होता कभी.
नहीं होता है. Stop fooling yourself. You have to exit. It's hard to exit. You need to exit. The way you need to breathe oxygen, you need to exit.
There's a beautiful definition I read a while ago of toxic. Right? This is according to few psychologists, that toxic is not when somebody does bad to you. Toxic is when they are bad to you on some days and good to you on the other days. So they are so inconsistent that you can't decide whether they're good or bad.
Yeah.
So whether you should leave or stay.
Yeah.
And because of their inconsistent behavior, you keep asking yourself a question that, is this wrong or right?
Correct.
And that gives you a toxic loop, and that's toxicity.
Correct.
Right? And before that, I always used to think that toxic matlab jo galat kar raha hai. But it's not that. It's like the inconsistentness.
Pattern. The pattern might be consistent or inconsistent. There are many ways of being toxic, unfortunately.
Romantic partnership में कैसे आप figure out करते हो narcissism? Narcissistic partner कौन होता है?
ये change नहीं होता है. The crux remains the
Trait
same.
same है?
The trait same है. कुछ बदलता नहीं है. And you have to be very aware. There's a psychologist by the name of Robert Greene.
Yeah.
And he's written lots of books. I'm
I love
sure
him.
you've eaten them.
Love him.
Right? You must have inhaled them.
You're talking about the guy, power, seduction.
Yes. And he's very clearly stated that you need to be able to assess before you enter. You have to be able to assess before you enter. You need to see what lies over there. Now, while that is the practical way to go, it's very difficult because there are lots of people who will not reveal their real personality to you until and unless they have you on paper. And that is the scary bit.
And that's what narcissist people do.
They're very good at it. But there are times where a lot of people date narcissistic people, knowing they're narcissistic people, because they also come from, maybe they've just learned to be victims. It's a very heavy statement to make, but it's just the unfortunate narrative.
True.
Again, like going back to like familiar feelings, right? Like if I have learned that this is my life and my life is to suffer, my parents are like this, now my spouse is like this, maybe this is just my life.
Yeah. I've seen this with kids, especially since childhood, who have been emotionally neglected. So they have this trauma that I don't get emotions.
Yes.
I'm not emotionally consoled. I'm not given any attention in life.
Yes.
So because they're emotionally neglected, they end up being with a narcissistic partner because narcissistic partner would love bomb them when at the times.
Absolutely.
And on the bad times, they'll make themselves, it's fine because sometimes he loves me. That's the kind of attention that he's giving me.
So
I'm okay with this imbalance of attention sometimes and not attention sometimes.
There's this large poverty, right, that we face in emotions. And if someone is giving me one,
ठीक है, बाकी सब तो बाकी दुनिया ऐसी है, तो एक जो मिल रहा है वो ओके. कैसे असेस करते हैं कि ये नार्सिसिस्टिक पर्सन है स्टार्टिंग में? क्योंकि स्टार्टिंग में जो भी अगर नार्सिसिस्टिक पर्सन है तो वो तो स्टार्टिंग में लव बॉम्ब करता है, right? They come off strong. They'll try to win you, chase you, love you, do everything for you, right? Because it's about them and their image कि अब मैंने इसको pursue किया तो मुझे ये चाहिए.
Correct.
Right? So वो starting में सब करेंगे. Love bombing is usually, love bombing means this, right? कि starting में इतना extra प्यार दे दो कि the सामने वाला person is like, oh my god, like what is this?
Yeah.
Like इतना तो मुझे कभी मिला ही नहीं है.
There's a honeymoon period na sabke liye when people start like dating. A lot of people have. Love bombing will intoxicate you, right? Oh my god, there's nobody who can love me more than this particular person, right? You have lots of oxytocin and dopamine and you're like, I miss you and oh my god, I can't see myself without you. 4 days into things, 4 days of meeting. I don't know why, but I really feel like a part of me is with you.
In 4 days.
Right. In 4 days. Okay. Not crapping on like love on first sight and all those
important
things.
In the beginning. Like just,
it is like we love being.
Let's not demean like the beginning sparks and butterflies.
Like while that is beautiful and that genuinely happens. Now the difference between let's say a healthy relationship and one with a narcissistic person is कि तुम patterns observe करो कि am I like when I start dating and let's say there is love bombing, I give you a lot of love, affection, compliments, gifts, flowers, etc., right? And then in the same breath when you start showing me affection, right, then I'm like bye. So the moment the narcissistic gets attention at that point, now this is a little, right? Because we are always used to hearing narcissistic people want attention. They want power.
Power to control.
Now the power to control you lies in making you feel bad and getting apologies from you. It's a cycle of abuse. Now, look at this, see whether it's happening again and again and again and again. If it is, you know where you are. And this is not love. I will forgive you once, I will forgive you twice, I forgive you 3 times. A healthy relationship, however, will be like, okay, I didn't like it, you didn't like it, let's work on it. It'll never be, tumhari galti thi. How could you feel like this? I'm the victim here. Gaslighting, denying your reality. I'm the victim here. what do you mean you're sad? The point is to dismantle the person. You will always see a narcissistic person will also choose somebody who's damn good, fabulous at tons of things, but they will strip them, they will dismantle them slowly कि तुम कौन हो, मैं दिखाता हूँ, नहीं तो मैं दिखाती हूँ, I will show you where you belong. You know, and they take great power
like
in...
I'm the trophy.
Yeah,
you need to worship me like a trophy.
Great pride. They will take great pride in breaking you.
Yeah, you know, you remind me of these two terms I read about. एक public pleasing love होता है. So usually guys ऐसा करते हैं, लड़के करते हैं, इसको public pleasing love बोलते हैं कि दुनिया के सामने सबको लगना चाहिए I love this woman.
Oh yeah, narcissistic people are great at it.
Right? वो पूरी दुनिया को believe करा देंगे कि
image
तुम कितने अच्छे हो and this girl is so lucky. मतलब वो लड़की कितनी lucky है कि यार ये लड़का इसको मिल गया, वो इतना प्यार करता है, वो ये करता है, वो achiever है, वो सब करता है and he's so good. But जैसे ही तुम घर जाते हो उसे कुछ पता नहीं, उसे publicly जो जो याद रखना है वो सब याद रखता है. घर की चीजों से कुछ याद नहीं है.
No, they
वो
don't care.
एंगर रखेगा, विंडिक्टिव होगा, इरिटेटिंग होगा, मैनिपुलेटिव होगा. यूजुअली girls have this pattern which is, I'm not generalizing guys and girls, like I just read about these two terms so it's interesting to talk about it. कि तो chameleon love सुना है इसके बारे में?
Oh, I can guess what it is.
Okay.
Inside something, outside something.
Exactly. So chameleon love क्या होता है? It's like कि लड़का आया आपके पास बोलने कि you know ये चीज मुझे अच्छी नहीं लगी, बहुत अच्छे से बोला, आपको बोला चेंज करने के लिए कि ये अच्छा नहीं लगा, वो अच्छा नहीं लगा. आप एकदम से चिढ़ गए, आप अनॉय हो गए या आप रोने लग गए. ऑल ऑफ अ सडन यू आर क्राइंग. अब वो एकदम से लड़का चुप हो जाएगा, नहीं सॉरी यार, मतलब वो शट डाउन कर देगा, वो अपना थॉट ही नहीं बताएगा, वो जो उसको प्रॉब्लम थी सॉल्व करने की कोशिश नहीं करेगा. क्योंकि अब कॉन्वर्जेशन इज नॉट अबाउट द प्रॉब्लम जो तुम्हें डील करनी थी. कॉन्वर्जेशन इज अबाउट क्राइंग. Conversation is about victimization. Conversation is about hurting her and everything. Even though लड़के ने बहुत अच्छे से बोला, लेकिन लड़की वो victimization को, उस रोने को, उस irritation को, या उसको पता है कि इस लड़के को क्या चुप करा देता है, या उस ignorance को power जैसे use करती है, and then वो conversation change कर देती है. So it's like कि I didn't do anything wrong, you did it. तो पूरी conversation अब shift हो गई कि वो लड़के ने कुछ गलत किया और लड़का फिर सेल्फ डाउट में चला जाता है कि यार मैं ही तो गलत नहीं हूँ, मैंने तो कुछ नहीं किया. और धीरे धीरे सेल्फ वर्थ कम होती जाती है. सो इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक विक्टिमाइजेशन इज पावरफुल if you use it right way.
Yes.
It's a sense of power position. It's not a submissive position. It's a dominant position.
It can be a very manipulative space. It can.
So that's what chameleon love is. Guys can do, ladke bhi kar sakte hain, ladkiyan bhi kar sakti hain, anybody can do it.
A narcissistic person in a relationship is not an adult, is a toddler. They want someone, men and women, who have NPD, who settle down, or who are like dating or seeing somebody. They are toddlers. They want people who can gratify them. The mislabel, ये प्यार है. A lot of people get carried away in this.
Yeah.
Okay, they want, like, it's a very hard truth. It's like, oh, I love you, so I'll do this, X, Y, Z, A, B, C, sab kiya. Child is happy. I do everything for this one smile.
It's external projection, not internal work. I love it. Yeah, that's so true. Toddler analogy.
It is a toddler.
They're not adults, they're toddlers.
And, you know...
We all have been toddlers at some point.
We all have been toddlers. And think about it, right? A toddler needs gratification at different points. He doesn't need to love you. But you need to take care of the toddler.
Yeah.
Or you know, then you end up procreating, making a family, this, that, and the other. It just grows. Then the person gets stuck.
True.
So it's not a generalization that only men do it. Not at all. Women also do it. Like, I've seen women do this and destroy good men as well. So it's a very real thing.
ऐसा बहुत लोग ना नार्सिसिस्टिक रिलेशनशिप में है. Okay. और ये देखने के बाद लोगों को लगा कि ओ माय गॉड, लाइक और ज्यादा हार्ड हिटिंग, राइट? एंड वो अवेयरनेस होने के बाद भी ना नार्सिसिस्टिक इंसान को छोड़ना बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है.
Yes.
Why is it so hard to leave a narcissistic person? क्यों मैं नहीं छोड़ सकता और अपना पार्ट सेपरेट कर सकता रोमांटिकली? फैमिली में तो कंट्रोल ज्यादा होगा, बट रोमांटिकली तो ठीक है, मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड था, मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड थी, मुझे छोड़ना है, इट्स ओके, लेट्स मूव ऑन.
You get very enmeshed. Again,
मतलब
it's the
enmeshed
same
क्या
thing.
होता है?
Enmeshed is this is one person, this is one person. Two people? This is one person, this is not two people. What was that? दो जिस्म एक जान.
हाँ.
Oh God. Oh God. No.
टेल मी, क्या दो नार्सिसिस्टिक ट्रेट्स के लोग साथ में रह सकते हैं? I'm very curious. दो नार्सिसिस्ट लोग एक दूसरे को डेट कर सकते हैं? Can they have a
Wait,
beautiful
You
relationship?
used a very good word. You said narcissistic traits. So while you're saying narcissistic traits, I will say yes.
दो नार्सिसिस्ट एक दूसरे को डेट कर सकते हैं? Let me just reframe it.
You mean with personality disorders? No.
क्यों?
Who's providing? Who's worshipping?
अलग-अलग
कंपटीशन ही होगा ना. पूरे घर में हर दिन कंपटीशन होगा.
तो दोनों को अप्रिसिएशन चाहिए, दोनों को फ्लैटरी चाहिए, दोनों को सेंस ऑफ पावर
It
चाहिए.
won't work. And again, two narcissistic people, while they have the traits, can be very healthy for each other. When you see power couples, right? They both have different narcissistic traits possibly. Even if they have the same, but they're healthy on that spectrum, you'll see power couples. Going back to Michelle and Barack, right? Power couple. They have such a good influence on the world, right? So that's what you do.
Who else? Give me examples.
I want to, like, while I was saying this, I feel Amal Clooney and George Clooney, very beautiful power couple. Very beautiful. She has a different
Ryan
life.
Reynolds and Blake Lively.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah.
For sure. They allow each other space. They also like work. It's very beautiful. So while they have the traits and they have 3 kids, but yes, this is all from the external
Do you think
perspective.
Saif and Kareena?
I think they're working.
Power
People
couple.
are working. Yeah. They both are powerful, of course. You have a lot of people in Bollywood that are working. But
Who do you think
can't
Bollywood
really-
they can't date? Like they're so narcissistic that they can't date. Do you know anyone from the outside of the personality? At least what you can judge from the outside.
No, it would be very difficult. Two
Outside.
NPD people will not last. There will always have to be one to bow out. And NPD people don't bow out. होता नहीं है.
So एक पावर स्ट्रक्चर में एक को समझ में आना चाहिए कि मैं डोमिनेंट हूँ या मैं सबमिसिव.
Yeah.
और फिर ही वर्क करेगा.
Yeah.
वो अंडरस्टैंडिंग दोनों को रहनी चाहिए.
Yeah. I mean, it happens automatically. Like I cannot think of.
दोनों एक्सट्रीम पावरफुल डोमिनेंट पर्सनालिटीज साथ में नहीं हो सकती. देन दैट नोशन गोज अवे ना कि आप आपके जैसे लोगों को डेट करो, आप वाइब ज्यादा आपके जैसे लोगों के साथ होते हैं. ऑल दैट इज बुलशिट. देन
Vibe होती है, but you need to see like. I
compatibility
always
zero.
I see like I will never tell anybody to be with,
A
10
same.
on 10. Same people, no. There needs to be a healthy difference. For me, it's 80-20. For me, it's 80-20. 80% similar is nice and 20% different because you need another perspective in the relationship. I can say this is black, but you're like, no, it's grey. क्या देख रहे हो? Right? It's a matter of perspective. Right? Foreground, background. It's a matter of perspective. There should be someone to like challenge you in like a healthy challenge. Now, if I'm with a narcissistic person and if he says, this is black and I say, this is grey, he'll be like, you don't know anything.
I've seen those couples.
Right? They will just negate you from the conversation.
Yeah.
But a healthy person will be like, why do you think this is grey? What about this makes you think it's grey?
But I met a power couple in New York. और दोनों narcissistic max at least from the outside of the world. दोनों अलग अलग वर्ल्ड में काम करते हैं और दोनों सुपर सक्सेसफुल है. लाइक दोनों ने अपनी दुनिया बनाई, दोनों पहले साथ में करते थे, दे वर स्ट्रगलिंग टुगेदर. द मोमेंट दे डिसाइडेड कि हम दोनों अलग अलग काम करें घर में साथ में, बट बाहर दे वर्कड आउटसाइड इन डिफरेंट इंडस्ट्रीज. वन इज फार्मा, वन इज रियल एस्टेट.
Super.
Almost close to billionaires individually.
Yeah, and because they have their own space, right? Like, if I sit and put two people like this together, all they'll do is clash all the time.
So it worked for them beautifully because they say they just want to outcompete each other. So it's a healthy relationship, they feel.
Sure. I mean, if that's the only definition of a successful relationship.
I mean, for them it works कि both of them are ambitious. Both of them want to outcompete each other कि आज इसने कितने इस क्वार्टर में ये क्या किया वो क्या. They in fact track कि फार्मा में कौन टॉप 10 लोग हैं, तो उसमें से ये आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है, और वो टॉप 10 में वो कहाँ है. तो अगर ये 4 पे फार्मा में और वो 6 पे रियल एस्टेट में, तो घर में ये 4 वाला जीत गया. Like it's that level of intensity which these guys come up with.
Like great regulation for something like that, right? You also have to be able to take that beating and blame and तूने ज्यादा नहीं किया ये टाइम, तू लेजी है. I don't think
अंदर का तो नहीं पता, बाहर तो
I really don't think like if it's traits, maybe they'll last, but if it's on the spectrum, it's hard to say. It'll be interesting to see what they do once they stop working. Because it's a very real thing. Like when you have like two people who have their own boundaries and so strong and let's just say narcissistic in nature, you're on the same turf, then what do you do?
Can children of two narcissistic power couple, okay, or any narcissistic parent, क्या बच्चे भी narcissist बन सकते हैं?
Oh,
just
yes.
by watching their parents?
Oh yeah, absolutely. So one of the like you have genetics and then you have environment, right? So your environment comprises of your caregivers. Now today, if I have, a snow plowing parent or a helicopter parent, the ones who are like constantly like micromanaging, making me successful, this, that, and the other, I will have that sort of self-esteem ke mera baap dekh lega.
Okay, right? let's not attack like don't attack me on my imaginary kid, okay?
But you understand it, right? Like it is like that. Like when you build a world for a child, that child will bloom in that particular direction.
True.
It's just that simple. On a very serious note, right? If I have never taught my child to fail, and this is so important in this day and age because the level of resilience of people it's abysmal. It is very, very sad to see that resilience is just falling with every generation that is coming out. Like you will see the people who are stronger than our generation are the ones above us. Right?
True.
But younger than us, there are different breed only.
Yeah.
And it's because they've constantly been nurtured all the time. They've not been taught to face failures. They've not been taught anything. So if I'm constantly telling you, you're awesome, you're awesome, you're awesome, I'm praising you.
We've lost the meaning of awesome.
Lost the meaning of awesome. People just use it so loosely
Casually,
now.
yeah.
And it's all on praise. There's no competence and confidence building anymore. Like there are times where I feel there are people who have the right to brag. And it might sound really narcissistic and very like bratty, but I'm like, nahi, ye bande ne kaam kiya hai. Kyun nahi brag karega? What is the big deal? If I've put in the time and the grind, sure. You don't have to go around rubbing it in people's face. Right? You don't have to do that.
Yeah.
But you can talk about it that this is my journey and this is where I've come and this is what I've done. I feel it's okay.
मुझे ये opportunity लगती है.
Yeah.
This is an opportunity. So जितने लोग भी देख रहे हैं, I have this message for everyone कि क्योंकि now that you have seen, आपने practice में देखा, stats हैं, दुनिया को पता है, आसपास आपने लोगों को देखा कि लोग resilient ही नहीं, लोग tough ही नहीं है.
Yeah.
तो इतनी बढ़िया opportunity है ये कि जो थोड़ा सा भी tough होगा ना जीत जाएगा. It's so easy to win in today's world. All you have to do is outlast people at their work. Like
you really do.
It's easy. मतलब पहले के ज़माने में ना बहुत कंपटीशन होता था क्योंकि सब पता नहीं अलग मिट्टी के बने थे, सबको लड़ना आता था, लाइक सबको पता था. अब किसी को आज ज्यादा लोगों को लड़ना ही नहीं आता, इतने सॉफ्ट है, टफ ही नहीं है, कुछ नहीं कर, थोड़ी सी थोड़ा सा अनकंफर्टनेस आती है, ओह माय गॉड, उनका पूरा 2 हफ्ते खराब हो जाते हैं.
एब्सोल्युटली.
इट्स लाइक अगर तुम सिर्फ हफ्ते में 3 दिन में तुम ग्राइंड कर लोगे ना ढंग से, तुम फोड़ दोगे. Like it's so easy to win today because other people are soft in the like the later generation
good,
which
like
are coming right
either
now.
like you said, consistency and resilience. Otherwise, be damn sure you have a damn good skill set. You work once a week, you make your money, you go home and sleep.
But I feel
right,
consistency अगर तुम हफ्ते में 2 दिन भी कर लोगे ना तो you'll win. क्योंकि I see so many young people इतने soft,
no, they'll bow out.
इतने मतलब रेजिलेंट ही नहीं है. मुझे ऐसा लगता है सिर्फ रईस बच्चे ऐसे होते हैं.
No. Class has nothing
कुछ
to
भी
do
नहीं
with
है
it.
ऐसा, कुछ भी नहीं है. समवन जिसके घर में 25 to 35,000 बना रहे, उनके बच्चे भी आजकल दे आर सॉफ्ट. जो 25 करोड़ रुपए महीना कमा रहे हैं, उनके बच्चे भी सॉफ्ट है. एंड टू मी this I look it as an opportunity which is bad for overall country, but जो लोग सुन रहे हैं जिसमें थोड़ा सा भी दम है, for them it's an opportunity to go to win out,
that's
go and win.
Very beautiful evolved perception, na? You're able to see that this is opportunity, that you stay in your lane, maintain the grind.
I also think this has a lot to do with individuals. Like hustle works for me.
Yeah.
If my mental health is not in a great situation or shape or form, if I'm not working a lot, to me this is escapism and this gives me purpose and sense of gratification, if you want to put it.
Yeah.
मैं अगर फोड़ के काम नहीं करूँ ना दिन भर, मुझे नींद ही नहीं आती, मैं वेकेशन से सो नहीं पाता हूँ.
Which is good. It's good in its way.
मैं 3-4 दिन वेकेशन हो गई, उसके बाद अगर कोई लंबी वेकेशन हो गई 5 दिन से ज्यादा, मैं सो नहीं पाता हूँ कि यार काम ही नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, कुछ कर ही नहीं पा रहा हूँ. लाइक इट्स जस्ट कांट हैपन. एंड इट्स नॉट दैट आई डोंट एंजॉय वेकेशन, इट्स नॉट दैट आई डोंट बी प्रेजेंट, बट आई फील लाइक जो मैं करता हूँ, आई एम सो लकी, आई एम वन ऑफ दोज लकी पीपल कि जो मेरा नेचुरल क्यूरियोसिटी जो मुझे जेन्युइनली पसंद है, वही मेरा जॉब बन गया, वही मेरा काम बन गया. तो I love doing it. So hustle works for me. I really want to.
Like, see,
but I get like sometimes there's burnout, and it's
burnout is very
bad.
real. It's bad.
It's
there
bad.
is, and I often tell people this, that please don't underestimate the power of rest. Muscle gym में नहीं बनता है. Muscle बनता है जब तुम rest लेते हो.
Recovery में.
Right? So while hustle is up top, working hard is up top, rest has to be up top.
Yeah.
You can perform well today and you have the energy for hustle because you've rested for 4 days.
True. Don't you think कि narcissistic लोग ज़्यादा जीतते हैं professionally? They do better.
Yes, I do see narcissistic people win at their work.
See? तो अगर वो जीतते हैं, then people will end up having narcissistic bosses. So how do I know that मेरा boss narcissist है?
Right.
And अगर मुझे वो नार्सिसिस्ट बॉस नहीं चाहिए, तो मैं कैसे स्विच करूँ और कैसे दूर निकलूँ उससे?
See, to be very honest with you, ये बहुत difficult होती है because I have a lot of people coming to me, and yes, it takes a certain level of selfishness and maneuvering and manipulating to keep going up, in a lot of systems. Like I would like to say that there is वो एक नोबल काम है जहाँ पे मैनिपुलेट नहीं करना पड़ रहा है. Sorry, bursting bubble again. You will have to have some amount of selfishness to keep climbing. Doesn't mean you have to be bad. Doesn't mean you have to be abusive. Doesn't mean you have to cause emotional harm to people. It's a difficult balance. Narcissistic boss, like I have actually seen a lot of CEOs who are very nice, but middle people very vicious because they're not here, they're not there.
Okay, do you know there's a term in the entrepreneur world?
Sure.
Right? इसको एक टाइप का नार्सिसिज्म बोलते हैं. I'll show you. Because मैं CEO हूँ, so मैं अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकता पब्लिक में या मेरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में एक एरोगेंट एसोल बॉस होने की इमेज का, तो आई विल हायर एन एसोल.
हाँ,
So
इंटरेस्टिंग.
I'll hire this gatekeeper. तो मुझे जो करवाना है वो ये करेगा. तो ये मेरा मिड मैनेजर है जो सब दुनिया को लेगा कि ये हरामी है, ये बेकार है, ये गलत इंसान है. अंदर से मैं ही हूँ, लेकिन मैं पब्लिक प्लीजिंग पर्सनैलिटी लाइक I am great. So the CEOs that you're talking about, most of them are like this कि वो बहुत empathetic and nice and great image दिखाएंगे क्योंकि उन्होंने अपना एक gatekeeper, एक asshole hire कर लिया है. And then it's a very common saying. क्योंकि जैसे ही आपकी स्टेक बड़े हो जाते हैं, कंपनी बड़ी हो जाती है, then you can't afford. मतलब हर चीज पब्लिक साइज हो जाएगी ना. आप 4,000 लोगों की कंपनी चला रहे हो, 1,000 लोगों की कंपनी चला रहे हो, आप अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते ये बनना.
It's a great skill set.
And this is a very common doing. Lot of people do it.
It is. Like
I
now
know,
that I think about it,
I know 20 people who do it. Like immediate
I'm
friends.
sure. Like possibly it is the requirement of the hour.
कैसे पता चलता है कि मेरा बॉस नार्सिसिस्ट है?
So the common complaints that I have gotten from victims at work is that they're very hard. They drive you very, very hard. To a point where they dehumanize you. वो narcissistic personality की trait होती है that whoever they find, they dehumanize. You're a commodity. They don't see night, they don't see day, they'll drop messages. There are many who, I've literally heard about bosses throwing things at employees. Like temper tantrums. Yes, surprise. It's not your work culture, it's other people's work culture.
आज के जमाने में होता है ऐसा, लोग फेंकते हैं चीजें?
Yeah.
Employees पे?
Yeah. And employees don't do anything about it because, the fear is ki, what proof do I have? Number one, he's a superior. Number two, कुछ भी कर देगा, review देगा, 2 बात बोल देगा, मेरा salary कटेगा, मैं घर पे क्या लेके जाऊंगा. You see, it's a vicious cycle. You can't get out. You also want to stay there. You also have to, take salary home. You have people to take care of. Right? Whenever there have been such instances, I've always put down my request or my thought of you have to distance yourself or you change, stay in the same place, change your boss. If you are somebody who also is slightly rebellious, I would recommend go ahead and complain.
Oh.
Go ahead and complain to the HR because there are bullies out there. And the problem is they get away with it. They get away with it one time. Nobody complains about them. So they keep doing it. They just keep doing it.
Because they're also a star in front of the world.
Yeah. And everyone's like, अभी तक किसी ने बोला नहीं है.
तुम क्या?
कोई तेरे को believe ही नहीं करेगा. But it takes one person to change those things. It also happens in schools and colleges and institutions where teachers who are narcissistic will abuse their power. And students are so scared, obviously, because of the way our system is, they're not going to talk. They just want to graduate. They just want to get out.
But ऐसे, okay, here's the thing. It almost feels like कि society celebrate करती है narcissist को.
Unfortunately.
क्योंकि हम narcissist boss की बातें कर रहे थे. So I can just think of a guy from a TV series who I love. Okay. But now जितने आप traits समझा रहे हो वो सब तो उसमें हैं सारे, वो narcissistic है. Suits, exactly. Wow. It's like you can read me. Right?
To be very clear, psychologists don't do that. We don't look into eyes and read people. We believe on
Looks
the
like
data
you do right now.
No, I'm quite fond of him. So
Harvey
is amazing. Yeah.
जो आपने बताया उस हिसाब से तो वो पीक पे है नार्सिसिज्म के.
He is.
Right?
That is why he's extremely good at what he does. But also at some point he figures that certain things don't work and he mends his ways. You will not find somebody with a personality disorder mending their ways. बहुत टाइम लगता है.
But end तक last मतलब एकदम end में है, उसकी लाइफ में डोना थी तो उसने सिखा दिया उसे.
Yeah.
राइट, एंड में वो छोड़ के चले जाता है, एंड देन ही रियलाइजेस व्हाटएवर, बट लार्ज मेजॉरिटी ऑफ हिज लाइफ जब तक वो प्रोफेशनली एफिशिएंट रहता है और जीत रहा होता है, तब तो नार्सिसिस्ट रहता है, क्लियर नार्सिसिस्ट, लाइक एवरीथिंग इज अबाउट मी, माय वर्ल्ड, एवरीथिंग इज अबाउट हावी, राइट,
एंड ब्रूटल.
और तो फिर ऐसे लोगों को हम सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, आइडियलाइज करते हैं, रोल मॉडल होते हैं, तो आपको ऐसे ही बनना होता है. और फिर इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक आपको काम करना है ऐसे लोगों के साथ, बिकॉज यू फील लाइक कि यही एक तरीका है जीतने का वर्ल्ड में. एंड बिकॉज यू सेड ऑल्सो कि नार्सिसिस्ट लोग यूजुअली ज़्यादा जीतते हैं लाइफ में, तो फिर तो आपको विनर्स के साथ ही काम करना है, क्योंकि आपको भी लाइफ में जीतना है. सो इट्स लाइक ऑलमोस्ट यू आर आइडियलाइजिंग and trying to become a narcissist because you love the narcissist.
I would like to say at this point that while narcissistic people are winners, everyone has a different agenda at work. You are also becoming certain people while you go to school, college, work, etc. It's a journey. There are certain things you can take. You can filter out the rest. Today, if I wanted to take something from Harvey, right, I would steal his focus. Would I steal
but that's
something that's
again in a way his focus is narcissist. Focus is like only one thing.
But
I don't
focus
care about the
but
world.
focus is one part of the spectrum of spectre, right?
Love this spectrum.
Right. That is just one part. That is just one part. But I also have to, I can be great at my work, but I can also be thoda nurturing. I've met extremely nurturing leaders who don't have gatekeepers, right? Who are very good at what they do. It's about having a healthy perspective, having healthy narcissism.
जितने लोग ये देख रहे हैं, अगर वो किसी नार्सिसिस्टिक इंसान के साथ फंसे हुए हैं, मे बी फैमिली मेंबर, मे बी पार्टनर या बॉस, राइट, तो उनके सिर्फ एक ही वे है कि वो दूर हो जाएं. और अगर वो दूर होते हैं तो देन उनको गिल्ट किल करेगा कि मैंने सामने वाले की हैप्पीनेस का पावर लेके चले गया. It's so difficult. You're telling me like you have to.
Therapy is not easy.
Because family से दूर होना तो कितना difficult होगा.
It is.
Partner से दूर होना कितना difficult होगा. Boss still you can change.
तुम्हारे choices क्या है? Do you want to live or you want to die? तुम्हें ऐसे जीना है कि तुम मरे हुए हो. These are your choices, right? Like, and they are very unfortunate choices.
It's like आगे कुआं और पीछे खाई.
हाँ, devil in the deep blue sea, right?
Like it's just.
It is. And
because दोनों जगह एक जगह है suffocation, दूसरी जगह guilt.
Guilt you will still overcome. I promise you, with time, and it sounds very poetic, but I've seen people rise with time. And they got enough distance and perspective of where they were and what they were going through. Like, I don't want to say they are cured. No one gets cured per se. You still live with certain, like, there are a lot of people affected. Muscle memory affect ho jati hai. They don't sleep well.
Yeah.
Right? So, but you still have a choice. While you feel, you are made to believe you don't have a choice. Let me tell you. Narcissistic people will make you feel like you don't have a choice and this is where you live and die. But you need to surround yourself with healthier options and healthier people. Don't get isolated. Make your own village. Hopefully with time, you will develop the courage. Okay? I'm not saying you have to be brave in the beginning. Courage se chalu karo. Bravery will come. And the more you do, you'll see. And patterns are hard to break.
Okay, do you think mood swings are like personality disorders?
Mood swings are a part of personality disorders.
Okay. They're not
personality disorders.
If somebody is getting constant mood swings, doesn't mean
it's a symptom. It's a symptom of,
they
like,
might
for
have
example, borderline personality, right? Has a lot of mood swings. But I can also have mood swings if I'm PMSing, right? Doesn't mean I have a personality issue. So it's a symptom. It's a physiological symptom.
Yeah, or maybe I just had a bad sleep.
Yeah. I could have not eaten. I'm hangry. मैं 2 चीज बोल देगा.
Yeah.
You can't be like तुम्हारी पर्सनालिटी गलत है, खाना नहीं खाया है. So these are important things. Like in this tangent, I would like to say like everyone needs to sort their primitive basic things: the eating, the sleeping, the exercising, the moving, the resting. Very important. Small things, big difference.
Out of all these, I'm not doing 2, rest I'm doing. So I'm not ideal yet, but there, somewhere there. Better than like I'm doing.
You're doing better than most, let me tell you that. So.
It just makes me feel good about myself. That's what a good therapist do.
Not always. I've scared you 3 times and I've said one good thing.
This is sandwich theory, no?
Sandwich feedback.
हाँ, sandwich feedback कि देखो बीच में गंदी vegetables भी डाल दी, but पहले बोल दिया you're so authentic.
चीज डाल दिया ना मैं, चीज डाल दिया.
पहले अच्छी bread दे, you're so authentic, you're so childlike. Then बीच में 3-4 बार डरा दिया, फिर like oh you're better than others. Like there you go. No, good. But thank you so much. It was lovely having you.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
It was pleasure talking to you.
Likewise.
I would have you other time again, sometime in future, talk about emotional drugs.
Sure.
Okay. That really excited me. Thank you. Thank you so much ये एपिसोड एंड तक देखने के लिए. नार्सिसिज्म एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है जिसको दुनिया में बहुत कम लोग समझते हैं. ऐसे लोग हमारे आसपास रह के हमारा कॉन्फिडेंस भी ख़त्म कर देते हैं एंड हमें खुद पे बहुत ज़्यादा डाउट होने लगता है और ऐसा लगता है कि हम ऐसी सिचुएशन में फंस गए ताकि हम निकल ही नहीं सकते सिचुएशन से. इसी के लिए इस टॉपिक पे एपिसोड बनाना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट था मेरे लिए. आई होप आपको ये एपिसोड अच्छा लगा हो. प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट्स में ये बताओ कि ऐसे और कौन से टॉपिक्स हैं जिनको आप देखना चाहते हो ताकि हम वो गेस्ट आपके लिए लाएं एंड आपको और ज़्यादा वैल्यू प्रोवाइड करें. जाने से पहले 3 चीज़ें ज़रूर कर देना. इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, कमेंट्स में ये बताओ कि अगला कौन सा गेस्ट और टॉपिक चाहते हो एंड ये एपिसोड किसी एक इंसान के साथ ज़रूर शेयर करना जिसकी लाइफ में एक पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट आएगा. आई विल सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम. अंटिल देन कीप फिगरिंग आउट.